Today I'm going to show you how to set up a stage deck. Let's get started. First step, make sure you have the lips of the stage going the right direction so the next two stage decks can lock into those. Loosen the bolt, slide the legs all the way into the pocket, then tighten the bolt back down. Your first deck has to have all four legs. This deck will only need two legs and slip into the first deck on the side that doesn't have legs. Now lock them together so they can't pull apart. Repeat that process for each additional deck in the first row. Your first piece in the second row will also take two legs. From this point on, each deck will only receive one leg. Continue this process for as many sections as you want. There you go, it's that easy.